Chronic fatigue. This is epidemic nowadays. Now, number one thing with chronic fatigue, there's going to be a problem with physical, chemical, or emotional stress. And this is what wears you out. There's also going to be sleep disturbances. And people say, no, 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 I sleep just fine. Do you wake up refreshed? No, you don't. Okay, you get up a few times at night to pee. It's hard to shut your brain off to go to sleep. So, number one thing, look at physical, chemical, and emotional stress. If you've had physical trauma in the past, that's going to cause your body to always be in spasm, and that's just physically draining. So, get the physical stress structure checked with digital, static, and digital stress x rays. That'll find out if there's a problem and how to correct it. Chemical stressors. Poor sleep is a chemical stress pattern. Look at our videos on how to correct that chemical stressors and to reset your circadian rhythms. And then healthy diet, healthy nutrition. We're talking plant-based, which means plant-based. The majority of your diet is in plants, organic, juicing, blending, and that gives you the nutrients that your body can do to rebuild. But emotional health. Look at neurolinguistic programming, the I am exercises, we call it. And I've got a ton of videos on how to reprogram the subconscious, but we're talking anxiety, stress, depression, impulse control. Those are all features of the frontal lobe. And the frontal lobe can be reprogrammed by changing the input into that. And look at how the subconscious can be reprogrammed through repetition. And that is the key. If you master your emotions, you alter your physiology. And it's huge to look at the three factors. If you're not addressing all three, you're never going to find the solution. If you are addressing the physical stressors, identified on digital x-rays, static x-rays, the chemical stressors, we actually utilize thermography, high blood cell analysis to identify them. The emotional stressors, we're looking at nerve scans, which are amazing to check the autonomic nervous system. But find the problem, and then you're going to find the solution.